Alright class, today we are going to learn all about science.
Excuse me, Miss Fiona, can I please use the bathroom?
Since you asked nicely, I'll let you use it, but you have to be back in 5 minutes.
Okay, Miss Fiona, I've got it. What is that villain with a black hair, a distinctive custom-made purple bowling outfit and a black shoes doing here?
I'm going to pull the fire alarm because I want to do it, because I want to. It is a prank. This is going to be so much fun.
Hold on, just what the hell do you think you're doing?
I don't know, I'm just cleaning it because it's just dusty.
Nope, I don't see any dust. You have one more to come clear with me or I'm getting the teacher on you.
Fine, you win. I tell you, I was pulling the fire alarm because I want to do it to.
Are you fucking blind or something? Fire alarms aren't for fun. Fire alarms are only to be used whenever there's an emergency. Geez, I have to think of something.
What's going on here? I thought you were going to the bathroom.
Miss Fiona, I can explain myself. Jesus Quintana was pulling the fire alarm because he wanted to do it for fun.
Jesus Quintana, why on earth would you ever pull the fire alarm? Fire alarms are only for whenever there is an emergency. That's it, Pinky Malinky. You go to your classroom. Jesus Quintana, I'm taking you to the principal's office and I'm going to notify your Jeffrey Liawowski and Walter Sobchak about this. Come on, let's go, Jesus Quintana.
When school ended,
Jesus Quintana, me and Walter Sobchak are very pissed at you. Pulling fire alarms are very illegal and you could get your what you did.
That's it, you're so grounded. Go to your room now.
What the?
meanwhile with Pinky Malinky.
I'm very proud of you for stopping Jesus Quintana from pulling the fire alarm. That was the right thing to do. You are ungrounded forever. You can.
Thank you, Onions, you're the best.